Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is TONYA'S. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're glad to have you. If you've been here rocking with me, thank you so much for coming back. So I'm in the process of retightening my mom's MICROLOCS, and she's actually interested in combining as well. So I thought that before I go ahead and start the combining process, that I would just update you guys on how many locks she currently has. A lot of you always leave comments about how much you love my mom's hair and about how much, her DIY journey has inspired you to also DIY yours as well. So I just wanted to provide a little update, and I'll give another one too once it's finished. But she's actually I've actually been combining several of her locks since she first started. I think she started out with close to 300. So but she's definitely not there anymore. So what I've done is I've sectioned each bundle, and so I sectioned each bundle into 25, and so now I'm just going to count how many bundles she has. So, and then I left some locks. She's working, y'all. She don't she doesn't like when I make impromptu videos. So I left these 2 locks. That's 2. And then 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah. Okay. So this is 8 locks. This is 8 locks left out, plus these other 2. That makes 10 locks left out, and there are 9 bundles total. So I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I did the math in advance, but I still just wanted to show y'all what her hair is looking like. So that's 9 bundles in total. There's 25 locks in each, so 25 times 9 equals 225 locks, and plus the 10 locks that I left out, that makes 235 locks. So that is definitely less than what she started with, and I can't remember if I ever did a lock count on this channel. I have to go back and look for her. But yeah, so she's currently at 235 locks, and she's hoping to actually get down to a lesser number, because similar to me, she is no longer interested in sitting for long periods of time. And she also mentioned to me that she actually wants them, she maybe wants to go the more traditional lock route. But at the end of the day, you guys know that my mom started with a thinner density of hair, and so traditional locks around the edges may not be the best option in terms of what her hair is looking like. So when I do combine, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do what's ultimately best for her hair. But if she's at 235 now, maybe we can get that down to I don't know, Mom, do you have a specific number?
How about 115?
115?
Mm-hmm.
What is 235 minus 115? How many locks would I have to eliminate, I guess? Can you, do you know? You have a calculator?
No, but it's 235 minus 115 leaves 100 and
something locks.
117 locks, or maybe 18.
Something off. Okay, so
yeah, around that area.
Okay, yeah. So she's hoping to go down to 100, around 100 and
maybe 20, 30.
Maybe 120, 30 locks.
Mm-hmm.
Based on her hair, I don't know if that would I don't know if that would change the twisting method. I'd have to see based on her hair, because even though it looks like she has more than 235 locks. Like, I'm not gonna even lie to y'all. It looks like she has 300 locks, and I think when you start your locks with interlocking, like, it just forever makes them small, no matter how much you combine them. Because I've definitely combined a lot of them, and so I don't know if we got to 115, if they would be big enough to actually retwist. But when I figure that out, I'll let you guys know. But that's pretty much where she is. As you can see, her hair is healthy. And yeah, so I'll come back with another update once we finish. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.